What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is entitled "Bum Thinks He Can Trespass Without Consequences." So let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about. Let's do it.
On June 28, 2023, Joliet police responded to a library to investigate a trespasser.
Hey, what's going on? You're trespassing.
I'm trespassing.
They said you've been banned from here.
From what?
I don't know from what.
I ain't never get served no paper now.
Did they tell you you couldn't be here?
I don't supposed to. I mean, I can be here.
Are you
I'm a
told not
citizen.
to be here?
I never do. I'm a resident.
You gotta go. They don't want you here.
I got a pass.
Okay, listen. You can't come back here. We're telling
So
you.
y'all kicking me out of Joliet then, huh?
Well, that would.
That's the
You
case?
can't.
They don't
want you at the
Do
library.
you want me out of Joliet? Could you
can
answer
leave.
that for me?
You can leave if you like.
Could you ask me? Could you answer that for me?
I just did. If you leave, you can
Y'all
leave if
both
you
talking
like.
at the same time.
You can't be here. They don't want you here, so let's go. Simple as that.
Do y'all want me out of Joliet?
I want you out of here. Let's go.
You said Joliet. We said the library.
Shut up, coward.
Let's go. This way.
Why he yelling? Why he came off so? It don't even gotta be that serious.
What? I dealt with you last time.
I
What
don't
happened?
give a fuck. Pop bubble gum.
Yeah.
And get off my heels, punk. I see a whole lot of
You ever
that.
see him
I
get
see a
back?
whole lot of that.
Come back, get locked up, bro.
You better not sniff powder. With your little Boy Scout hat. Don't touch me either. Don't ever. Don't rush me. You see what you just did? You see what you just did?
You see what you just did?
I ain't get shit too.
Turn them. Roll them. Roll them.
You arrested me?
Roll them. Yep. Better arrest. Here's another you.
Whoa! Wait, what's up with the truck?
The whole lot.
Wait, hold on. What police move is that? Wait, what?
Powder. With your little Boy Scout hat. Don't touch me either. Don't ever. Don't rush me. You see what you just did? You see what you just did?
You see what you just did?
I ain't get shit too.
Turn them. Roll them. Roll them.
You arrested me?
Roll them. Yep. Better arrest. Here's another you.
What the heck?
I see a whole lot.
I got
A whole lot.
Let go. I got
Let him go.
Yep.
Let him go. Press the point. Don't stop when you want to stop.
Roll them over. Roll them over.
Yep.
I ain't resisting.
There you go.
I ain't resisting. You see that? He ain't resisting.
We got that he was inside the computer from the call.
How? Push. Let me get that.
Slow him down. Slow him down.
It's a whole lot of this. It's a whole lot of that. Don't you ever push back up on a...
I get it. He tweaking. I understand, but I got a problem with you just immediately just going at his neck. Like, look at the first time he grabs him. This is why this is so crazy. Look, if you see this got the hump right here. That means everybody is replaying that. Like, when... Okay.
Don't ever. Don't rush me. You see what you...
Look, watch. Instead of like trying to maybe tackle him, you know what I mean? Like a football tackle or something, he's gonna immediately try to go towards the neck. Look at that. Look at that. Look at immediately going towards the neck. Like, what?
You see what you just did?
You see what you just did?
I ain't get shit too.
Turn them. Roll them. Roll them.
You arrested me?
Roll them. Yep. Better arrest.
Then what hold is this? What type of... What legal move is this?
Here's another you.
I see a whole lot.
Let go. I got it.
Let him go.
Yep.
Let him go. Pressure point. It'll stop when you want to stop.
Roll him over. Yep.
I ain't resisting.
There you go.
I ain't resisting. You see that? He ain't resisting.
We got that he was inside the computer from the call.
How? Push. Let me get that.
Slow him down.
It's a whole lot of this. It's a whole lot of that. Don't you ever push back up on an American native citizen. Come on in, handcuffs. You're breaking my arm. I'm not resisting. Look at you.
Yep.
Why is he pulling me this way? You pulling me that way?
Bro, I told you earlier this is gonna happen.
No, it ain't.
I told you earlier. Yeah, dude.
If you wanted to do it, I ain't resisting.
Here you
My hands is released.
go.
Look at you. Want y'all to communicate.
Why are you yelling?
Oh, cuz I'm getting abused.
Calm down.
Look
Okay?
at him.
Yeah.
You just saw it. Coward.
I don't think so. Come on. Stand up.
Sit up.
There you go.
Okay. You ain't gonna touch me. Let me go. Let me go. All that for what?
I got it.
Coward.
Hey, it's definitely.
Coward.
Hey, right now it's definitely disorderly.
Get your hand off me.
Yep.
I'm already in hands. Pussy. 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 Yup, him, her. Why you still got your hands on me for? Wrong guy. Pussy. You pushed me out of the
I
building.
told you don't come back.
I'ma sit in. They gave me a computer badge.
You don't get in my damn face.
If I didn't come, if I wasn't welcome to be here, the computer would never walk me in.
They told you not to.
Oh, now you want to throw me. Now you want to search me.
You're gonna get
You
searched.
just break me across the ground. Let's see these rallies. I'll be right back out. I don't care. We'll write the paperwork and ship me then.
There you go. Have a seat.
Extradite me out.
Have a seat.
Coward.
Get in my face.
Don't you ever put your hands on me like
Don't
that.
put your. Don't get my.
I ain't getting in your face.
Don't
You
get
gotta
my
put-
face.
you gotta put the
Don't get
seatbelt
my
on.
face.
You see that?
Don't get my face.
Put it in there.
I
It's
know
in
you got
there.
in your mouth.
I ain't did nothing to you.
Yeah, okay.
Coward.
You alright, man?
We have the whole time. It's just
You know what? I knew he fucked up when he pushed the officer. I'm like, why would you?
push him twice.
I told him to leave.
What happened?
I have it in the report system. I just told him, just go, man. Don't go be back. Don't be back. He's been doing crazy shit, bro. Clean himself, and then he goes up to the office
Yeah, but the officer pushed him first, though.
and goes in and thinks, oh, you do. I think I'm an American system. Nobody gives a shit about that.
So you told me how many times?
I told him ahead of time, please do not come back.
Did you tell me before you came here?
Uh-huh.
How many times today?
Like twice. Today,
So he's been here twice?
That last time he was in here smoking, I said, don't smoke in front of him, smoke down. He's like, I'm an American citizen, I do whatever I want. I'm like, but not in here, man.
All right.
And then here today, he was just looking at us and laughing. I'm like, why are you laughing, man? I told you not to be here.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem.
This is gonna happen early. He was acting a fool earlier. So.
Oh, Boy Scout ass hat.
This is the pilot guy.
He's from the pilot, that I from
Yeah.
Darcy, remember?
Oh, with the big
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, you ain't gotta search my back.
Oh, yeah, I do.
I ain't got no drugs. I ain't got no
Okay.
guns. You ain't smart. You might as well express yourself. That's a lawsuit.
Okay.
And a speeding trial. Don't say I was obstructing.
Thank you. One of those days. Da 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 da.
Dispatch didn't even tell him I want a speeding trial now. And I'm bonding out.
Yeah,
You harassed me in your car.
you're definitely bonding out. I got you.
You got that?
Yeah. You're right. You're bonding out. That's what happens.
And I get my bond back when I beat my case. On entrance.
Okay.
Out of your private withheld debit and the citizens. Let's go all the way around the board. Push it to the Congress.
Put you to Congress.
No. Don't shed a tear. Don't shed a tear.
Shedding a tear.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's finish the paperwork.
So here's what we gonna do.
What you arresting me for?
Okay.
What is you arresting me for?
Number one, trespass.
For one, I'm not trespassing if that computer logged me in.
Well, I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna tell you what you get arrested for. You ain't gotta agree. You ain't gotta agree.
You already threw me in the car. You didn't even leave me no Miranda rights.
Do you want me to tell you or not?
I want obstructing justice. I was walking out.
Okay.
Yo, piss. I done made myself rocks.
14.
Yeah, dude put his hands all in my nose and stuff. Right or wrong?
You know, one thing I would say is that it's a tough scenario because the guy is in the wrong, but I do think this could have been handled differently. I think the guy was walking out. Yeah, they probably didn't like what he was saying and, you know, stuff like that, but he was walking out. You know, it didn't have to go like this. It really didn't. You know.
Bobblehead ass coward. Big nose ass bitch. Make sure you put in the paperwork what you put on. That's the pussy nigga that fucked up the paperwork at 7-Eleven.
Yeah, he's gonna do the paperwork.
You fat face dick.
Then you got dude who immediately put him in a chokehold. Like, what the like, that was crazy. That was crazy, bruh. This did not have to happen like this. I get it. He's being an asshole. You know what I mean? I completely understand, you know. But I feel like they were itching to lock him up. Honestly. You know, did he contribute to it? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? He loud, obnoxious. He, you know, trespassing. You know, yeah. But I do think he was walking out. You know, he was saying what he was saying, but he was walking out. You know, once you get him out of that area, it's like, okay, don't come back, blah, blah, blah. You know, at least he's leaving the property. He could go yell somewhere else. You know what I mean? Go cool off somewhere, you know? But he was leaving, you know? Did he deserve to get choked out? I mean, I don't know. You let me know in the comment section. Did he deserve to get choked out?
Obstructing.
I'm obstructing if I was walking out and get off the computer.
I got there first.
I got the freedom of speech if I get put in handcuffs. Right or wrong? Now you see?
Let's do it.
So resisting.
I ain't resisting.
Show us around.
My hands is in front.
Resisting of
They together.
trespass.
That's 2 handcuffs right there.
It's up to you if you want to do anything.
Nah.
Why you rubbing my nose?
So far the charges.
You don't supposed to touch it.
I turned it down.
Yeah.
Everything I just said.
Yep. Thank you.
He's clear. He can go. Undressed. KLJACH.
So we're gonna be in a jail?
Yeah.
15?
This guy was.
Yeah, I know. Same guy with.
Oh.
You can't go in my pockets.
So that's why I told him. It's nice.
Yeah. So, all right, bro. Man, I don't know why you act like this, dude. So unnecessary, bro.
I know law and y'all not doing your job. You still put me in a car, you ain't read me no Miranda rights. Well, I'm in handcuffs.
I'm not asking you questions.
I'm instructed.
Okay.
I still got the right to speak anytime I want to.
Well, I never said you couldn't.
Right or wrong?
I never said
I'm
you
right or
couldn't.
wrong?
I'm not asking you any
Okay,
questions.
then ain't nothing to talk about. I already didn't beat my case. It already gets smashed round.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.